Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In this video, I am going to tell you how to improve battery life of AirPods. So let's start the video. First mistake you do is fiddle with the case of your AirPods. Don't do fiddle again and again, it affects the case and ultimately, it also affects the battery life of AirPods. So avoid this mistake. The second thing is placing of AirPods outside the case. Usually after using AirPods, many users place the AirPods outside the case and forget it. You have to care about thing, because this can also affect the battery life of your AirPods. The third thing is using of one AirPod at one time. Don't use single AirPod while the other in the case. If you are using AirPods, then use both, because using single can also affect the battery of AirPods. Turn on auto ear detection in your settings, go to settings, then open AirPods, and here turn off auto ear detection. This can save the battery of AirPods. Keep your AirPods away from hot and cold environments. Keep them at moderate temperatures. So by following these methods, you can definitely save battery of your AirPods. That's it for the video. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.